Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. I was gonna replace my purge valve, but I was like, you know what, let me invite you guys. Maybe you guys want to hang out with me today. So I'm gonna replace the purge solenoid and valve. So let's get started on that. So right there guys, this is gonna be your purge valve and your purge solenoid. I already got one ordered, one from AutoZone. That's the part number right here, PV342. And then this is gonna be for your solenoid, CP403. Let's go take those off. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just unplug it from this hose and the rear. See that rear hose? Sorry if my hand's in the way. And we're gonna disconnect it. It's got a connector right here and a connector right here. That's how that looks. Huh. Wow, they got this installed incorrectly, dude. Look at that. Let's see if the camera picks that up. You see that? That's engine. They had this facing towards the canister and not towards the engine. So this solenoid is installed backwards. See that? Wow. So they had it like that and the engine's over there. So it's supposed to be like this. Wow. Come on, people. See where it says engine? So it's gonna face that way, towards the engine. Got a new hose. I'm just gonna cut it to length and put it on. So I'm gonna put this, slide it just like that, right there. Now where's that knife at? So I'm gonna cut to length, probably right there. Wow, right on top of the battery. And then install this valve. So just like that. So I'm gonna show you the new and old. See the difference on that? See the valve, I mean the one of the whatchamacallit, vacuum ports. This one's higher and that one's lower. And this is higher and that side's lower. So they're supposed to have it like that. And they don't. So that's the correct way of putting it. This is the wrong way of putting it, guys. So I'm just gonna grab this one, reinstall it like that. Let's put the connector back on. Come on, go in. There you go. Make sure that clips. Then we can connect this connector and this hose. Just like that. And there you go. We should like zip tie it to like right here. Let me go grab a zip tie. I'm gonna zip tie it right there. There you go. Clip that. Clip that. All right, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. Hope you learned something. I'll see you guys on the next one.